Hi, we are Large Line, and for today's video we are moving upstairs. For that to happen, we have to raise up all the OSB subflooring. We tried different methods of lifting up all the OSB, and so far we haven't come up with a good solution. As we mentioned, we are off-grid and we have no machineries. It's just two of us and we have no experience also. For the first attempt, we made a floating shelf to lift it up with a drywall hoister. It wasn't a bad idea, but we could not figure out the way of pushing it upwards after it's on top. The problem was that the joist, who is already in place, was in our way, and as you can see, it was no problem to lift up all that OSB. The problem was to let it go. I'm just gonna mention that nobody got hurt and everything is fine, but that was the learning curve for us, and we are thinking not to use this system anymore. But who knows? We are daring and we are trying to do the best as possible for our future house. Well, that was not good, but at least nobody got hurt and we are fine. The next thing was to try to lift up half sheets of OSB. Unfortunately, we need the full sheets too, and we don't know what we're gonna do. Please watch us. Maybe we're gonna figure out by the next video. Thank you for your support. Please share, and we appreciate your time. Bye!